We're going to an Asian store, Uptown, and you're coming with me. We're getting some fish and vegetables and lots of stuff. On our way to this Asian store in Uptown. You can take the train or bus here from downtown. Get off at Argyle. You're gonna see this big sign, Asia on Argyle. What fish are you getting, Nanay? Okay, Nanay shows the red snapper.
Red snapper.
Oh, that's big. Good thing about the store is they have those favorites that we have in the Philippines too, like this sardines here. Lito. This is from the Philippines. This one too, Century Tuna, is also from the Philippines. And they have the noodles that we use for the pancit. Yeah, from the Philippines too. The adobo sauce mix. They got boy bawang.
Damian mo.
They got boy bawang. Yeah.